please remember this. Whatever happens to him, kasabwat kayong lahat. Okay? Kung magbabait ang batang ito, ibig sabihin mabait kayong lahat. Okay? Pag nagloko yan, isa sa inyo ang nagturo noon. Okay? Especially the boys, ha? And remember, lalaki ito, ha? Okay? Teach him the Catholic faith. As a sign we're welcome to him into the church, let's give him a warm round of applause.
Happy birthday, Gab! Ang wish namin is sana maging happy and healthy baby ka and maging strong, kind, and sana parati kang masaya and enjoy mo lang yung life.
Si Gab, tumagal siya sa linggo ng more than a month. Pero ayun, lumabas si Gab na napaka-healthy, very strong, masayahin, lagi palang ngiti, mapagmahal sa kanyang parents.
Everybody, are you excited for this first surprise? Yes. Okay, if you're excited, can you say happy birthday, Gab, in 3, 2, 1?
Happy birthday, Gab!
Okay, Tommy, are you ready? Say hi to the kids. Say hi. Hello.
Ayun, yung bonding natin ng papa mo, nasa bahay lang tayo, nasa playpen. Minsan kasama mo kami sa playpen habang nanonood ng Sesame Street, Miss Rachel, and then nagbabasa tayo ng books. Hindi lang ikaw yung masaya, pinapasaya mo din kami.